Hey everybody, Chris here. Well, Dogecoin is making a move to the upside. Bitcoin has just finished a most unprecedented bear run. And Luna is making another move. We're going to cover all of that in this video. Again, I'm Chris. This is my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate the support. And give the video a like too. Certainly do appreciate everyone and their comments. Leave comments below as well. Certainly like that interaction. See what you guys think about what I'm talking about. Dogecoin. Dogecoin has been in a tough time here, mostly because the entire crypto market has been down. I mean, even over Friday night, Stephen Colbert on The Late Show was making fun of crypto, of which I covered in my video on Saturday. That's pretty tough when everyone, even popular mainstream media, making fun of crypto. But crypto has been down, and I'll show you that on the charts as well. But it's nice to wake up on a Monday morning and see green across the market. It's been a while. Will this momentum continue? Well, we'll see about that. Certainly, overall economy is still not great. And we still have these other things going on, a war and a pandemic and those things. It's really hard for the crypto market especially to have a lot of positive news to get it really trading up. But we'll take the little gains now as we have them. Bitcoin, like I said, Bitcoin has been in this unprecedented bear market. I'll show you that on the charts. But we have one bull, and that's Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor saying that Bitcoin's going to go to $100 million. Well, I can see why he would be pumping that crazy, ludicrous amount, because overall, he's been buying Bitcoin so much that he's not really making a lot of profits, because he's been buying it when it's been high, and he's down on a lot of his investment. Overall, I think his company is just a little bit positive, but there's certainly this kind of over the overall Bitcoin market. The sentiment is Bitcoin could still drop below 25,000, maybe even to 20,000, and I think that has him scared. So. And as far as Luna, we'll show you that on the charts as well. Looks like Luna is going to go ahead with a fork, and there's going to be an airdrop of these new Luna tokens, and the old Luna is going to become Luna Classic. But that doesn't mean the whales aren't going to have their fun too. So let's take a look at the charts and the news, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. We start here with Dogecoin. This is Dogecoin at 8.75 cents. This is on the 30-minute, and we do see this upward movement of Dogecoin, as well as most of the cryptos that I'm watching all in the green here over the past 12 hours, which is certainly good for the crypto markets. Good to see the green again. If we zoom out a bit, we'll see since the drop that we saw here on May 20th, Dogecoin has been moving up slowly. This kind of slow, steady gain, I think, is best for Dogecoin moving forward. When we see these huge spikes going up, that's when the shorters come out and they short Dogecoin back down. But this sort of slow, steady gain, Dogecoin down here on the 20th of May at 8.25, and then slowly over 3 days, being up to 8.75, that's what we want to see for Dogecoin. I think that's the best, because then Dogecoin can sustain this higher price without getting shorted. So what's going on with Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is moving upwards as well. But what I wanted to look at was we just closed another week with the trading of Bitcoin. And what we have here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 red candles on the weekly. This has never happened in Bitcoin's past. The most Bitcoin has ever had was back in 2014, and there were 6 red candles on the weekly. This was unprecedented to have 8 red weekly candles for Bitcoin, going from 48,000 down below 30,000. So that's what we just went through, was 2 months of just downward crypto market. So just wanted to show you guys that we're starting in the green here. I know it's not big, but we'll take what we could get, starting with a green weekly candle here. But if during the week the crypto market turns back around and starts going down and we start seeing a 9th red candle on the weekly, that's pretty tough. That's pretty tough. But certainly short term, looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is moving up like Doge. Ethereum as well, moving up. So it's good to see. We want to see these things all the way up here, just moving up. That's what we're looking for. What's going on with Luna? Luna was dying out here, and I was pretty sure that once Luna got to 10, it was going to add another 0 and keep going down. But it was getting pumped. And it got pumped the other day and yesterday. And look at this rise from 11. It hit all the way up to 22. So it doubled in price here over the span of a few hours. So big pumping for Luna. Now, this is going to become the Luna Classic. And I don't know if people are accumulating lots of Luna thinking that they're going to get airdropped a lot, but it looks like if the fork happens in the way Luna is going to get distributed, only 10% of the new Luna is going to go to the Luna Classic holders post the depeg of UST. So for those that have been accumulating millions of Luna, you're not going to get much on of the new Luna through an airdrop or exchange, however they're going to do it. And no one's going to be supporting Luna Classic but the community itself. And since Terra, the UST, is totally depegged, last I saw it was like 6 cents or 7 cents, so not even close to $1, and it's not going to get close to $1 again. I don't know what's going to happen with this project. But a lot of people own a lot of Luna, and if they can get more people buying in, the price will maintain or even go up. But this could be just a bunch of people promoting it and try and get people to buy so they can sell and dump at a higher price. So that's what's left with Luna. There's no utility for this for Luna anymore. So take that for what it's worth. So that's what's going on with Luna. Now, why Dogecoin enters 50% bull rally despite founders' remarks on Elon Musk. So first, we'll talk about the 50% or 45%, as they're saying. A bullish outlook. We'll see Doge rally 45%, retest 12.9. I'm saying 50%, 13.3, and that was my video last week. So if you want to watch that, you can see that, because that's what I'm looking for, is this a 50% Dogecoin rally, and I'm charting 13.3 as my target. They're saying 45% to 12.9. Okay, so we're close, I think, and that would be a great move for Dogecoin. And this thing about founders' remarks on Elon Musk. Well, there's another story. Elon Musk hits back at Dogecoin co-founder who called him a self-absorbed grifter. So this is about Jackson Palmer, not Billy Marcus. I've talked about Jackson last week, and Jackson's back. I did a video on the Dogecoin founders talking about both Billy and Jackson, and Jackson is salty. He is very cynical about the crypto market, and he's coming out swinging. And Elon Musk actually responded to a tweet and said that he thought that Jackson could be a bit negative at times. So that Jackson wrote in response, "Achievement unlocked." So getting recognized back by Elon is certainly kind of funny for Jackson. Palmer, he says. But if you look at Jackson Palmer's tweets from last year, he is not a fan of Elon Musk at all. Unlike Billy Marcus, who does appear to really like Elon, Jackson does not. And there was a tweet last year where Jackson called Elon Musk a self-absorbed grifter, and just the crypto industry is a cult-like get-rich-quick scheme controlled by a powerful cartel of affluent individuals. So he was really pointing towards Elon Musk and as sort of the leader of these people who are just pumping crypto so they can make a lot of money. Now, personally, I don't think that is Elon's game here at all. I think Elon's got much bigger things going on, and I think he's just having fun with Twitter and the gang on crypto gang on Twitter, and not a grifter at all. I don't see that, but and I think he truly supports the future of money outside of the banking industry, because Elon Musk has always been against institutions. And Dogecoin and other cryptos, I think he does see the possibility of their future use. I think that's why he was so interested in Dogecoin, because he does see that as a currency going forward. So what Jackson Palmer is saying here, I think that's just Jackson Palmer in his cynical way, just continuing to be salty. So for Dogecoin trading forward, I kind of think we're going to be still sideways. Certainly the upward momentum that we're having right now is good. And to see Dogecoin trade up over 9 cents at this point will be good. And there will be other dips. I do believe we're going to see more dips coming forward. So if those of you are waiting to accumulate more Dogecoin, certainly look for that. Sometime in years ahead, we'll be looking back and you'll say, you could have bought Dogecoin at 8 cents. I hope that's the case, because I remember when just last year when Doge was 50, 60 cents and people were saying 8 cents was a great buy. And here we are back at 8 cents. So this could be a golden opportunity to be accumulating more Doge. We'll see as time goes on and what that history tells us. But right now, where we're sitting now, I know it's been a tough couple months, all in the red, and Dogecoin and other cryptos have been getting pounded. But this could be the time when people make money. So, again, not financial advice, but I'm looking for the dips to buy more. Let me know what you're doing in the comments below. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.